Welcome to the Fiscal Updates YouTube channel. Finance Act 2023 has been passed by the National Assembly and approved by the President on the 26th of June, 2023 with certain amendments including the imposition of additional duties and increased rates of taxes. The income tax slabs for individuals having a high bracket of income that is 200,000 rupees only per month of 2,400,000 rupees only per annum have been revised with an increase of 2.5% on the existing slab rates. A flat increase of 2.5% has been imposed on each slab. In this video, we will discuss in detail the taxation of salary income in Pakistan and the applicable amended tax rates for salary income for the tax year 2024. What is salary? Salary income refers to any earnings received by an individual in exchange for services rendered during their employment. Income from salary means any income that is earned/received by a person against services rendered in relation to his employment. Salary income tax rates are described in the first schedule, Part 1, Division 1, Clause 1A, of the Ordinance. Salary earned by an individual in a tax year, excluding any income exempt under the Income Tax Ordinance 2001, is subject to taxation under the salary category, as defined in Section 12 of the aforementioned ordinance. The term salary encompasses various components provided to an employee by their employer, such as pay, wages, and remuneration. This includes leave pay, payment in lieu of leave, overtime payment, bonuses, commissions, fees, gratuity, and compensation for adverse work conditions, like danger pay, etc. Additionally, salary comprises perquisites related to employment, whether in monetary form or not. This includes allowances for the cost of living, subsistence, rent, utilities, education, entertainment, travel, etc. However, certain amounts paid by the employer to the employee for specific expenses incurred during duty, like travel allowance and daily allowance, are not considered part of the taxable salary. Moreover, any expenses incurred by the employee and subsequently reimbursed by the employer, excluding expenses incurred on behalf of the employer during the performance of duties, are also included in the taxable salary. This means that any surplus or amounts exceeding the actual expenses incurred by the employee and paid or reimbursed by the employer fall under the taxable salary. Furthermore, any additional profits received by the employee in addition to their regular salary or wages, including amounts received as consideration for entering into employment or related to changes in employment conditions, are considered part of the taxable salary. Termination-related benefits, such as golden handshake payments, are also included in the taxable salary. In such cases, the employee has the option to apply for a different tax rate by submitting a written application to the Commissioner of Income Tax. This option is based on the average rate of taxation over the past 3 years, calculated using the following formula. Tax equals a B%, where A represents the total tax paid by the employee in the past 3 years, and B represents the total taxable income of the employee during the past 3 years. Salary income tax rates in Pakistan for tax year 2024. In case the total income of a person from salary exceeds 75% of his total taxable income during a tax year, the rates of tax for salary in Pakistan will be applied for the calculation of tax payable as defined in the first schedule, Part 1, Division 1, Clause 1A, of the Ordinance. The tax rates for salary income applicable for tax year 2024 as approved and applied via Finance Bill 2023 are as under. Tax rates salary income 2024. A salary income up to Rs 600,000 in a tax year is exempt from tax. For salary income exceeding Rs 600,000 and up to Rs 1,200,000, the rate of tax will be 2.5% of income exceeding Rs 600,000. For salary income exceeding Rs 1,200,000 and up to Rs 2,400,000, the rate of tax will be Rs 15,000 plus 12.5% of income exceeding Rs 1,200,000. For salary income exceeding Rs 2,400,000 and up to Rs 3,600,000, the rate of tax will be Rs 165,000 plus 22.5% of income exceeding Rs 2,400,000. For salary income exceeding Rs 3,600,000 and up to Rs 6 million, the rate of tax will be Rs 435,000 plus 27.5% of income exceeding Rs 3,600,000. For salary income exceeding Rs 6 million, the rate of tax will be Rs 1,095,000 plus 35% of income exceeding Rs 6 million. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, and for further details, visit our website fiscalupdates.com. Disclaimer. The contents of this video are intended for informational and educational purposes only and are based on data gathered by Team Fiscal Updates. It is important to note that the information provided here should not be relied upon as a reference for any legal documents. If you require assistance with legal decisions, it is recommended to seek proper professional advice. It may also be noted that the provisions of the Income Tax Ordinance 2001 have an overriding effect on all other laws of the country and shall prevail in case of any contradiction in terms of Section 3 of the Ordinance.